हाय, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? हम लोग बिल्कुल बढ़िया हैं। और अगेन एज आई promised, I'm back with Dubai's update as a resident here. So things are much better now. Things are so much relieved, and one thing which is going to happen this time is the schools are reopening, so kids are going back to school. This is such a relief for us, and more of that you are reading it in newspaper. Some of the news channels are still terrifying, but I'm telling you, this is high time to resume back to your routine life. If the schools are reopening, the order has been passed, it means the actual threat is neutralized and we are out of any danger. Anyhow, like anyways, we were out of danger from day first. We are not facing any kind of trouble. But now when the schools are reopening, it means that actual threat is neutralized and we can go back to our normal life now. So I'm here to tell you that conflict is about to get over completely, and as I informed, threat is neutralized completely. So people who are having kids and the people who are the business owners, people and for everybody, just stop wasting your time and just stop waiting for news anchors and news channels to tell you feel safe. Instead, I would say feel safe, start your normal activities and be a part of UAE's resilience and be a part of this history. And I had 1000% of the trust in UAE government since day one, and I am still standing on the same ground. We are safe completely, and now when kids schools are reopening, it's a very big thing. And you must have read in through the news and everywhere that Strait of Hormuz is also open, and things are going on, like all this geopolitical things will go on. But for normal people like me, like you, we can go back and resume to our life, as in like offices are open, schools are also opening, so life is getting back to the track where it was before this February month. So now everything is going fine, and anyhow, like I am posting all my videos so that you guys can know that we are out of any danger or any threat. We are just enjoying our life here. We are leaving outskirts. Like today we came for the Al Faya desert, so I thought I'll shoot it for you guys because we came here for our weekend getaway. And the weather is amazing right now here, and right now the sun is setting. I want to show you how beautiful it is looking. Come and see with me. ये देखते हुए and moreover, offices are also resumed and tourism is also getting back. I am seeing a lot of crowd on tourist places like Burj Khalifa and all these places. The people are gaining the confidence again. Tourists are coming, airports are filling up. The things are slowly being normal again. So for me, the biggest relief is this: Divisha get to go to school again, because she was also quite pissed off because she had to learn all the lessons from the home, and online study जैसे उसकी मम्मी को पसंद नहीं, समझ नहीं आती है, तो उसे भी नहीं समझ में आती है. So I wanted her to go physically to the school and experience fully this journey. So hopefully, fingers crossed, from Monday she's going back to school, and I'm sure she will have a great time and we can also have a great time. And so far these are the updates, and please don't forget to write me back if you want to know about anything else, and we'll get back to you soon.
And I want to show you something. I saw very big bones.
It's okay.
I want to show you.
I have for the weather. That weather is so amazing right now. All around, like deserts, beaches are full of people. The sunset is so beautiful. The life is magnificent. And we are just going, we came to a desert here, and it was such a lovely day. So we thought, why don't we utilize this opportunity and tell you about all these things. So I am just witnessing a very beautiful sunset which I want to show you. Please look at that. कितना सुंदर सनसेट है ना, कितना सुंदर सनसेट है ना डोरी.
I enjoyed this.
So whatever happens, its worst part is over. So leave everything back, and this is time to go forward, look forward, and just dream again. Stay strong, stay together. We all are in this together. Ciao.